It looks like something you'd throw away, a rough, hollow animal horn, discarded, worthless, the kind of thing most people would never look at twice. And yet, inside a specialized factory, that same horn is transformed into luxury handbags and accessories that can sell for thousands of dollars each. In a single facility, tens of millions of dollars in finished products flow out every year, all starting from a material most of the world considers garbage. Horn is a natural material, and for most of history, it was treated as a byproduct, something left over, often thrown away entirely. But horn has a hidden quality that almost no one realizes. When it's worked properly, it can be polished to a deep, glassy shine, revealing swirling patterns of color that are completely unique. No two pieces of horn are ever exactly the same. Every single item made from it is, in a sense, one of a kind. And in the world of luxury, where the wealthy pay enormous sums for exclusivity, that uniqueness is worth a fortune. But turning a rough horn into a flawless luxury object is extraordinarily difficult, and that difficulty is the second secret behind the price. This is not a material you can simply feed into a machine and stamp out products. Horn is unpredictable. It varies in thickness, in color, in strength. It can crack, split, or warp if handled wrong. Working it takes real skill, patience, and an enormous amount of careful labor. And as you'll see, almost every stage depends on the human hand, not just the machine. That combination, rare material plus intense skilled labor, is exactly what creates luxury. The journey begins with sorting and cleaning. When the raw horns arrive at the factory, they're rough, dirty, and far from uniform. Workers inspect each one, sorting them by size, color, and quality. This step alone matters enormously, because the finest horns, with the richest colors and fewest flaws, will become the most valuable products. The lesser ones are set aside for smaller items. Just like with diamonds or gold, sorting is where value begins to be decided, long before the horn is shaped into anything at all. Next, the horns have to be softened and shaped, and this is where things get genuinely surprising. Horn, when heated, becomes soft and workable, almost like a tough plastic. Craftsmen carefully apply heat until the material can be flattened, bent, or pressed into the shape they need. A curved, hollow horn can be opened up and pressed into a flat sheet, ready to be worked. This is skilled, delicate work. Too little heat, and the horn cracks. Too much, and it's ruined. Everything depends on the experience of the person doing it, reading the material by feel. Once flattened and shaped, the horn is cut into pieces for whatever product is being made. And here's a crucial detail that drives up both the value and the cost. Because every horn is different, and because so much material is lost in the process, the waste is enormous. A large raw horn might yield only a small amount of usable, beautiful material. The rest is trimmed away, cracked, or simply not good enough. This is one of the quiet reasons these products are so expensive. You're not just paying for what you see, you're paying for all the material that had to be sacrificed to find the perfect pieces. Now comes the stage that truly transforms it: grinding, filing, and polishing. The cut pieces of horn are slowly ground down and refined, removing the rough outer layers to reveal the beautiful material hidden inside. And then comes the polishing, done in stages, each one finer than the last. Slowly, patiently, that dull, rough horn begins to transform. The glassy shine emerges, the swirling patterns of amber, black, cream, and honey come to life. This is the moment the magic becomes visible, when a piece of what looked like waste starts to look like treasure, and it's almost entirely done by careful, skilled hands. Then the pieces are assembled and finished. For a handbag, this means combining the polished horn with other premium materials. Fine leather, metal clasps, careful stitching. Skilled artisans put the pieces together with precision, because at this price point, a single flaw ruins the entire product. Every seam, every join, every edge has to be perfect. The finished bag is inspected closely, and only the ones that meet the highest standard make it out to be sold. The rest are rejected, another hidden cost baked into the final price. So let's step back and add it all up, because now the price makes sense. Take a rare, unique natural material. Add intense manual labor at every single stage. Add enormous waste, where most of the raw material is lost. Add the skill of craftsmen trained over years. Add strict quality control that rejects anything less than perfect. And finally, add the single most powerful ingredient of all in the luxury world: exclusivity. When you combine all of that, you get a product that can sell for thousands, and a factory that turns humble horn into tens of millions of dollars in luxury goods every year. But here's the deeper truth, the one that goes far beyond horn. This is how luxury works, across almost every product the wealthy buy. The actual material is often only a small part of the price. What you're really paying for is rarity, craftsmanship, labor, waste, and above all, the story. The idea that you own something unique, something few others have, something made by human hands from a rare material. Understand that, and you understand the entire luxury industry. It's not really about the object, it's about everything invisible behind it. And that's a lesson that applies to gold, to diamonds, to fine watches, to almost everything of value in this world. Real worth is rarely just the raw material. It's the transformation, the skill, and the story wrapped around it. Learning to see what you're truly paying for is one of the most valuable skills there is. If you'd like to understand how value, money, and luxury really work, beneath the surface, I've put together a clear and simple guide, linked in the description below. If you found this fascinating, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow. And subscribe to Bullion Lab, where we take you inside how the most valuable things on earth are made, transformed, and sold. Because once you see how luxury is really created, you'll never look at a price tag the same way again.